What's going on, everybody? Joey here for another cleaning day. But I'm inside wondering about my carpets. I vacuum every week, but what is being left behind? So today, I'm going to find out, and I'm going to see if shampoo in your carpets actually works. So for dirt, dust, pet hair, this is all that I was able to get from vacuuming, which is quite a lot. And now for the shampooing, I'm going to use this Bissell Big Green Industrial Strength Shampooer. I'm going to see how clean it can get my carpet. And now, this is what the shampooer picked up from my carpet. Look at that. That is a bunch of dirt.